Hey everyone, 0625, and today we have a pretty neat unboxing. This is going to be really cool. This is something special for us and also really big for us. So of course it's going to tell what's in what this is in the title of the video. So I'm going to tell you. So in here this is from MangDang Robotics. Mr. Gan, creator of this little robot, has let us be part of his team to pretty much research and development this little robot. And there's a few of us. Ben Stuff has one. They currently reviewed one, and I think there's someone else as well. And currently, me and Nintendo 110 get to mess with this. This is gonna be fun. And there's three of them. One's hers, one is gonna be sent to someone to be reviewed, and one's mine. Although mine's in pieces, so I could build mine. But huge thanks to Mr. Gan. Yeah, for sending us this and let us be literally part of this project. This is great. I'm excited. We've never done anything like this before, so this is the first time. Let's see. Of course, I will not be assembling mine on camera. I'll be assembling mine a little bit later. Ooh, man, he really packed stuff good. I do have a box cutter, but I don't know what happened to it. For a split second, that was right beside me. I was about to be like, oh, okay. Alright. Oh my gosh, I'm missing tape. Of course, all I can definitely tell you guys is if y'all like robots, you like four-legged dogs, this is your thing right here. This is something that's going to literally change the world. Let's see what we have in here. Alright. Alright, so here they are. So let's see, we got controller for the dogs. Golly. Ooh, I like the way this feels. Nice. Yeah, really cool. Alright, so there's three of these in the box. Let's see. Here we get the B3 20-watt charger to charge up the dogs. There's also, I believe, three of those in here. Oh. Raspberry Pi 4 computer. And let's see. I'm not going to touch these dogs because these are not mine. But I will take out the one that's currently in pieces. So let me go ahead and pull out mine out. It's over here. Oh my god, these look amazing. Alright, let's go ahead and move the others. Let's see here. Let's get the other controllers out. Yeah, there's only two controllers, not three. Alright. Alright, so here we have a bag of parts. We have the screen. We have the servos, I think. Some of the parts. Left front, left back, right front. The LCD screen's on there. Screws, more of the frames. Let's see. And go ahead and actually move this over here. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and move these dogs gently out the. Oh my god, these feel amazing. All right. Go. Some more parts. And of course, oh. Actually, I want to take a look at those servos. Let's see what we have here. Take a look. I'm curious. MangDang Mini Pupper. That's a tiny servo, my gosh. Servo head horns. Very interesting. Look at this. That's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Here are the other bits. Of course, here we have a charging cable, which I would assume this could be either used for the controller and I believe also for the dog. I believe. Then here are the shells to mine. Oh wow. That looks nice. A bit of markings, but oh, never mind. This is gonna be fun. Charging cable, and of course, micro SDHC, a 32 gigabyte for the dog. Let me see what else is on here. Cables. There's anything missing, right? Aha. Okay. Oh, yep. Here are the main boards. One main board. And of course, I believe this is the power board. Looks pretty interesting. Let's put that there. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this, but don't tell Nintendo one time. So this one, I'm not sure whose is who. I guess it really doesn't matter, but this is what the finishing product should look like once it's done. So I'm gonna have to probably base mine off of hers. Don't want things to come off, but yes, this is Mini Pupper by MangDang Robotics. This is coming out fairly soon. Interesting. Yeah, it's gonna come out soon. I don't remember the price currently, so I'm not gonna tell you what the price would be or what it might be because I honestly do not remember. But keep in mind this thing is like really cool. I've seen the videos of this and it's pretty epic. So you guys be sure to look out on the channel for on my channel and Nintendo 110s, and then with the other one, we'll see what's it called? Eventually, I'll post a link on your my channel or Nintendo will post on her channel of who receives this one. So yeah, I'm gonna put hers back in here. I know I said I wasn't gonna touch these, but these look really interesting. Huh. This one's a little more different. Interesting. Seems to be stuff on build. Of course, all the ports are there on the side. Oh, this one has it all boards together? Huh, I'm not too sure, but very interesting. Cool. Alright, let me put this dude back in here. Set this one down. Set this one back on the side like how it was. Same with the other one. Those cables back in here. Alright, now I'll go ahead and put the accessories. I'm going to these ones in here. These more controllers. And I think that should be it. Yes. Alright. Move this off here. Okay, so let's see, what do we have in here? I believe these are spare parts. Yes, these are spare parts. Okay, these are spare parts for our units in case anything happens. So pretty much what I'm doing this team is I am the, let's see, it's pretty much something engineer. I'm trying to remember. It'll probably come back into my mind once I remember. Let's see. It was something research failure engineer, I believe. So pretty much what my job is, once I have mine built and everything, and pretty much studying mine and Nintends. So what I have to do is we have to of course play with these, see what all they can do, study them, and I have to see what goes wrong with this. Like if something were to break, what can I figure out for him to improve it, and I just report that back to him, and from there they'll improve it. So yeah. Alright, let's take a look at the quality of these parts. Of course, these are 3D printed. Of course, these are samples. Early prototypes. Oh yes. Very interesting. This is the top, this is where sensors, well pretty much where switch and I think a few sensors are at. Pretty neat, pretty neat. Those are really yellow. Ah. This will be the back cover. That pretty much goes over here like this. Something like that. Yeah. Of course, we have the brackets for our servo. These actually feel really robust. I like that. Cool. Of course, there's more shell pieces for them in the bag. Okay, this is parts bag C. What does this say? 3D servo horns. And I can't read what the top says, but pretty much contains a lot of other things. So let's see here. So this will be other little bracket pieces to house the servos. So let's see. Left front, left back, right back. Pretty cool. One of the more fragile parts. Oh. So this is pretty much his face. This is Mini Pupper's face. That's pretty cool. Interesting. Of course, we got some bottom parts. Let's see. We have screws. They're labeled. Yes. Perfect. This reminds me of a lot of the time when I worked on a Roby. And I have followed instructions in Japanese. That was fun. More frames. So some of these parts, a lot of it's 3D printed, and a lot of it is also carbon fiber. So that's pretty cool. I think the black parts are mostly. No wait, other parts. Okay, this is definitely carbon fiber right here. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Let's see. And what is this? This is a speaker. If I'm not mistaken, this is a piezo speaker. So I want to say this because I seen stuff like this, so I want to say that might be a piezo speaker. So that's pretty neat. Yes, the legs. Perfect. Okay, good. So most of the leg bits are already adjusted, so I'm really happy about that. That was one thing I was going to be worried about. Now, if I remember correctly, when this is available, I think this is going to be available as a pre-built kit, I believe. I think there might be an option for a DIY version, but there are different tiers and kits that you can get. You can either get the base one. So the one I have pretty much the full kit where I get the controller, the charger cable, the battery charger, and the Raspberry Pi 4 computer board with this one. So this is really interesting. Nice. I would do a time lapse of me building this, but it would take me a while. And yeah, it will take me really good while. This is taking here. Actually, let me take this back out. There we go. There. Nice and fit. Alright, got all those back in that bag. Let's put it over here for now. Let's see what's there. We have a controller. Very interesting film. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Nice, very nice. I like it. Now let's see, what do we have? Alright, don't stop blinking. Alright, so let's take a look at the board. Now I'm not sure which board this is, but I want to say this is like a, okay, this is like the servo board. Oh my god, it's got stabbed. Should be fine. So yeah, the battery connects onto this, and all your servos connect onto these little pins. And of course, there's a bottom row for, well, connected to the other board, which I believe should be the main board. So this is pretty much the servo. This is pretty much the daughter board. I'll call this the daughter board, and then the other one should be the main motherboard. Oh, another power board. Okay, so this might be a spare one in case something happens to the other ones, I believe. So I'll put this back in here for now. And that pretty much is all of our parts, although something I'm not seeing here is the battery. Let me check. Let me see this Raspberry Pi controller. Okay, okay, I see now. This should be the main brain for the dog. And I didn't open that right. Oh. Silly me. There we go. Ah, that looks about right. Yep. That looks about right. Yep. This is the main brain of the dog. Right here. This is what has everything for it. Pretty interesting. Put that back in here. And then, from what I saw, do you think? Oh, that goes there. And easy link, easy to charge. Compact chargers. This is the charger for it. So let's take a look at that. Well, still haven't seen a battery for mine yet. Yep, a little compact charger. Really nice, really nice. Alright, well, that's the review for MangDang's mini Pupper. Hope y'all enjoy it, and keep an eye out for when this little fella is released. Once it's like officially released, the link will be in this video, or whenever we make an update video of the whole dog assembled. And if you want to join the MangDang group, all you have to do is look up mangdang.net on Facebook. Sorry about that. No, this thing doesn't focus. MangDang.net on Facebook to join the group and see all the posted updates for this dog, and of course for release, and I think possible price. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.